I appreciate you tuning in. This is a quick video to show how many website owners are losing business and losing traffic, and in some cases actually having traffic ripped off from them because of errors in finding their page. For this example, we're using our San Diego Lawyers Directory site. You can see that right here, and here's the URL. It's all one word, San Diego Lawyer, FORYOU.com. Now, if somebody comes to the site, this is what they see. If they want to select a lawyer, they would click here, and then they'd be taken on the inside and see various legal specialties over here on the left. But what I want to point up to you is the URL now. The URL, now there's a slash after the .com, and this is the address of this inside page, which is San Diego Legal Services.htm. And everything's fine. But let's say somebody's going here and they're typing it in directly, or there's an error that's been made in one letter, or they leave out a dash. So let's do that. Let's leave out a dash up here. And now let's take a look at what the page looks like. And this is what you see. This is a typical error page. And I really don't know, unless they use the back button, which some people may not realize they can do. They're going to be gone on to another site. Now, what some unscrupulous web hosting servers do is they make a custom error page here for all the sites that are being hosted with them, and a lot of times that is made up of Google AdWords or some other type of pay-per-click situation where people who may have been looking, in this case, for legal services, instead of going to my site, are now presented with a whole bunch of other sites or sites with legal things in them that would cause me to lose business. And many website owners don't even realize that this is happening. So how do you cure it? Very simple, and we're going to show you that over here. First of all, you have to go to the control panel for your website, and what you should do if you don't know how to do that is talk to your web host. Make sure you find out, get the access codes for going there. And typically this is what most panels are called, cPanels. They look like this over here. And for this example, what you want to do is go down to here where it says error pages. You click on that, and these are the main type of errors that people would receive. Now what this does is you can click on one of these, and we will do it over here. This is the one we got before for wrong page. So we'll click on that, and now you're presented with what information you want to put on that page. You can make that up, and what I've done already is gone to a HTML editing program like this, very simple editing program, put in what I want that page to say, put in links back to the home page, back to the practice area page, back to the legal articles page, which are all popular on this site, and told them this is sorry for the error. So once I create this page, it takes just a couple seconds. What you would do is go click on code here in this, and go to the top, select all, you copy it, and then what you're going to do is go back over here, and right here you're going to paste in the HTML code just like that. You're telling it, tell it to save it, and that's it, you're finished. But what I do, I'm going to go back here for a second before I log out, and I'm going to do the same for all these other ones. You can make up different ones for bad request, authorization required. I don't bother to get into that. Most people wouldn't know what was happening anyway. And I put the same page, custom page, for each one of these. But we don't have time for that in this video, but we just did it right here. You saw it took a couple seconds. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out, and we're going to go back to what showed up last time we had an error. Now we will refresh the page, and this is the new page that they'll see. and they're staying on my site, and these links are all back to my site over here. As an example, if we click this, there we are to the practice area page. Now let's go up here just for proof and make an error in the address. Let's take out the dash again, and now we'll go forward, and instead of getting the generic error page, you get our custom page. This will take you just a couple seconds, as you saw how I did it there, to set that up for your own site. This will keep the visitors on your site and hopefully get you more business. Very simple to do. I appreciate you listening, and if you get a chance or you need legal advice in San Diego, don't forget to see San Diego Lawyer for You, and the 4 is FOR and the U is YOU.com. Thanks again.